Manage cold and cough with natural home remedies. The pitter-patter of raindrops can be a welcome change from the scorching summer heat, but it often ushers in a wave of sniffles and coughs. If you're battling a persistent cold or cough this monsoon season, there's hope. Today, we're featuring a generations-old home remedy passed down through a family, shared by health expert Dimple Janda on Instagram. Here's a recipe that I inherited from my great-grandmother, grandmother, and my mother and aunts, and this is something we give to children every time they fall sick or have colds and cough, she wrote in the post caption. Let's know more about this remedy, which is infused with the benefits of basil. Why do we cough in the rainy season? The monsoon brings with it increased humidity and dampness, creating a breeding ground for viruses. These viruses can irritate the airways, triggering the cough reflex to expel irritants and mucus. Those with a weak immunity often fall prey to these viruses and develop symptoms like cough and cold. Promoted. Listen to the latest songs, only on JioSaavn.com. Also read, Natural Healing, 7 home remedies for a dry throat. Is basil good for cold and cough? Here are the benefits of consuming basil. Basil, also known as tulsi, isn't just a revered herb in Indian households. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Basil boasts anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, making it a natural ally in fighting off coughs and colds. Dimple Janda adds that basil is a wholly adaptogenic herb that is great for reducing stress in your body. Its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties also help to regulate blood sugar levels, which means it's excellent for those who have diabetes or are pre-diabetic. It also reduces cholesterol levels. View this post on Instagram, a post shared by Dimple Janda at Dimple Janda Official. What is the best home remedy for cold and cough in monsoon? This simple yet potent concoction made with basil and some healing spices can be a powerful remedy against constant coughs and colds experienced during monsoon. Here's what you'll need. 4-5 basil leaves, tulsi, 1.5 cups water, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 black peppercorns, 1 clove, half tsp grated ginger, optional, pinch of nutmeg, optional, step by step. In a pot, combine basil leaves, water, cinnamon sticks, peppercorns, and clove. Bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer for 5-7 minutes. Strain the tea into a mug. Optional. Add grated ginger for an extra kick and nutmeg for a calming effect. Enjoy this soothing tea warm, 1 cup after breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Also read, weight loss. Here's why you should drink fennel seed, saunf, water for weight loss. So, the next time you feel a cough or cold coming on, brew a cup of this magic potion and experience the power of natural healing.